Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Pyre, Associate Principal at Webb Middle School. Today I wanted to share with you an opportunity for this upcoming school year for incoming 6th grade students specifically. The students in our Webb Leadership Cooperative will be running an amazing event on Thursday, August 29th from 9:30 until noon. It's going to be called the Summer Orientation for 6th Graders, or SOS. Its purpose is to make the 6th graders feel welcome, have some fun, meet some of the older students in our building and meet some of their teachers. Guardians, all you have to do is drop them off at 9:30 that day. The program is going to run until noon, and we will be holding our open house from noon to 6 that day. If you'd like to do the open house activity right at noon, that would be great. Activities are going to include scavenger hunts, tours, locker practice, different games. We're going to have prizes, a first impression toolkit, and much, much more. You can sign up at the district-wide registration if you'd like. That will be on August 1st and August 6th. Or you can scan the QR code that will be shown here shortly and sign up on our Google form that'll come right to us. And we hope to see you there for this exciting event. Thank you.